In today's world of machines and mass production, handmade craftsmanship still holds a quiet magic. From the countryside workshops of China, artisans continue traditions passed down for generations, weaving, shaping, and creating beauty with their hands. In one corner, a craftsman splits bamboo into thin strips, each one carefully smoothed and curved to form a perfect steamer. It's a process that takes patience, precision, and an intimate understanding of the material. No glue, no shortcuts, just skill. Every joint is tied by rhythm. Every movement tells a story of experience and respect for nature. Meanwhile, in another quiet workshop, a simple household idea takes shape. A recycled mold turned into a planter for succulents. A gentle press, a twist, and a handmade ring mold is born. No fancy tools, no plastic waste, just pure creativity and love for life's little details. Both crafts, one ancient, one modern, share the same spirit: to make something meaningful, practical, and beautiful with our own hands.